How to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80080206. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. The Microsoft Store operates on region-specific parameters, and an incorrect time, date, or region setting can cause confusion and lead to errors like 0x80080206. Here's how to ensure they are set correctly. Check the date and time and region settings. If incorrect, update them. A corrupted store cache can lead to multiple problems, including the 0x80080206 error. Resetting the store cache can often solve this issue. This solution would work for those who had their group policy settings altered by some application. In the right pane, find the entry Download Mode, double-click it. Set Not Configured option and click OK.